Okay, let's go for another fly of the JD20. Get some video recording going here. And we have liftoff. The wind's picked up a bit here, so might have a bit of trouble. See how we go. This battery should be pretty charged. Okay, I got the camera pointing down, so I might head out into the open and get a bit of height going in this unit. Check out my other videos, guys, for some other JD20 action. There's also some Tello stuff there and some other Eachine stuff there, E58, plus a few other fun, cheap entry-level drones. Bit of a maze in here. Might just adjust that camera. So we can actually see where we're going. That's better. A bit of sun now, so should bring out a better picture. Oh, okay. Let's see how we go flying around all these branches up here. As I said, this is set to 100%, this drone, and it skips along quite nicely. You must be careful though when there's a bit of wind, it goes everywhere. Let's see if I let go of the controls here. Let's adjust our, there's a slight breeze and it's just sending it away, so just got to adjust your trim to compensate for it. Okay, are we ready? Let's reach for the sky, shall we? Oh, let's get past those branches. Yep, good flying. Good flying. Okay, we're out in the open now. Let's get up. So this drone goes, woo, a long way up. Still going. I'm going to have to bring it back now. I'm about to fall over. Just can't see where I'm going. Oh, jeepers creepers. Try and keep it steady for you guys so we can get some good video footage going there. Is that recording? Oh, you bozo. Can't record plan. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on there, but it's not allowing me to record. Oh no, it might be recording now. Which will be handy because it's just disappearing. See if I can bring it back. So I'm just trying to get it steady for you guys so we can get some good video capture footage going there. Okay. Oh, there's a bit of wind up there. I'm going to bring it down. Start from scratch. Come on, down you come. I can always just kill it by hitting the top button and catch it. But that's ended in disaster before. Okay, down we come. There we go. Now if you're sitting back thinking, gee, that went a long way, yeah, you'd be quite right. This drone flies a good couple of 100 metres. A good couple of 100 metres before it reaches the no-go zone. As you can see, I'm zipping around here really well, and this drone is a terrific little unit to fly out in the open here. Especially when you've hit it on 100%. Actually, I'm surprised I haven't crashed it yet. Link in the description if you want to see where you get this unit from. I got mine from Banggood. As I said, it's all there in the description. If you have seen my videos before and you've checked out my channel, then you'll soon know that I tend to crash these a fair bit. Oh, purely just so you guys can see as potential consumers how strong and robust they are. This particular unit has had many a fall. So I'm very fortunate I'm still able to fly it for you guys here today. Okay, I'm going to go right up, and I'm going to go right up, and I'm going to go right up until I can go up no more, and then see what happens. Right, I'm right up in the stratosphere now. Hell, it's a good 200 meters up there now, and going and climbing. Still recording? Yep, okay, I'm not going up anymore, I'm not going to. That is a long, long way up, guys. And for a cheap drone, have a look at that footage. I think you'll agree with me. That's good stuff. Okay. A little bit of wind, I'm going to go up even further. I'm going to continue to climb. From what I gather, I've still got signal. By crikey, that's a long way up. Yeah, I'm probably pushing the 300 meter mark now. I'm still pushing up and I'm still climbing. I don't know if you guys can see it with the GoPro. It's pretty well disappeared from view. Holy moly. Okay, I better bring it down because there's some wind now. There's some wind and I'm going to lose it if I don't bring it down. I'm not going to go any further. That's probably the highest I've ever flown this drone. Absolute beauty. In fact, if I look away from it, I can't find it again. Okay, right, down you come. Hell, okay. Yeah, down you come. Don't fail me now. I could always hit the old kill button with the right finger. You gotta watch that right finger. If you push that button on top of the Eachine controller, it just cuts out. Not too sure what's happening here, but it's not coming down. Great video footage though, sure you'll all agree when it's steady. For a cheap ass drone, terrific video feed. Yeah, I've still got control of it. Right. Oh dear, my phone's just popped out and now I'm flying blind. Flying completely blind here, so I can't see what's going on the phone. And it's died. There it goes. Down, down. Crash. Okay, so what happened there was my phone popped out of the little crappy holder here. So I didn't know what was going on. I'll still keep the screen recorder going. You can see Kevin Schwantz there. Let's put the camera back on and see if we still have the camera going. I'm fearing the worst here. No, we have no footage there. So, if you're wondering what happens if it flies a long way away, it tends to just fall to the ground. A fair way away, that drone. So, okay, so there's a clue. It's still live too. Just get that recorder going. Right, so it's either in a tree or it's on the ground. I'm not really sure. Oh dear. Okay, let's get to where I think it was and I'll try connecting it. See if we can hear it. Gosh, I think that's in a tree somewhere. I know it fell down somewhere around here. And looking at the branches there, and looking at it moving, I'll actually say it's stuck in a tree somewhere. Just a matter of finding it. Oh, this is fun. I can't connect to it. Often you can probably hear it if you connect to it. However, okay, yeah, I'm still connected. As long as it does it before I run out of power, keep the recorder going. Before it runs out of power, then I should be able to recover it. I'll let you guys know anyway what happens, one way or the other. Hey, drop us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so I can keep making these videos, which probably entail having to buy another Jd20. Not to worry. Hey, thanks for joining in on my adventure, guys. Oh, wind. I might just stick here for a minute. I've got a feeling it might come down. Are you fooled?